unboxing the keyboard. My husband bought this one in the Aldi, and when we go back there, right away it's gone. All are sold out. Maybe because they have an online class to learn the piano. They have a book for online class, and they have also inbouwde keyboard leren spelen. This is Dutch language, so with CDs, so you have to learn by now, because you can practice this by watching with these books. One thing is good is they have an online class, so no need to go to school and pay. So that's why it is sold out right away, because you learn by doing it online class. Only it is Dutch. Gisampulan na sa akong bana og patukar. Maayo pa siya kaysa kuha. The stand is separate, so we have it already, so it's easy na to put the keyboard on the stand. I'm learning. I follow the guide. Maybe one day I will show you. I hope I can play worship song.